Hello everyone, my name is Titanya and Dollin.
I'm Dondi, Dahlin, and this is your Wednesday Energy Minute. One of the most common requests that we get at Eden Method is for tinnitus and TMJ, which is pain throughout the jaw. And we have a great technique for this, very simple. You're going to take your two hands and between your ear and your mouth, you're going to stretch this area. So this pressure is fairly deep, like a deep massage, and you're going to do it on both sides.
Yes, and then afterwards, you want to take little tiny angel pinches. That's what I call them, because they're so light all over. And this sets the energy, sets a new habit in the body, in your jaw.
And she calls them angel pinches,
Yep.
but the bigger medical and kinesiology community calls it spindle selling. And it really does set that habit. So first the stretching on both sides, deep, and then the very light spindle selling.
Angel pinches!
From Mendocino, California, this Victorian seaside village was started in the 1850s, and we're just north of San Francisco on the amazing California coast, the Pacific Ocean.
Until next week!
Bye!
Bye!